Hello everybody, how are you? This is Shifali and I hope everybody is healthy and happy. Today I have got you the best of the body lotions available in the market. These body lotions are easily available, affordable. In this video, I'm going to share with you a body lotion for every skin type. So before we begin the video, I request you to please spare a second and subscribe to my channel. So the first lotion that I have in my hand is from Pond's. It's Pond's Triple Vitamin Moisturizing Lotion. Contains vitamins B3, E and C. The smell is pretty refreshing, not overpowering. Talking about its consistency, fine. It's neither runny nor it's thick. Does the job pretty well. It's so moisturizing. The best part is that it's non-greasy. It's best suited for combination skin. If you have oily as well as pretty dry skin, then you can go for this. The smell is so good. I love Pond's body lotions, particularly for their smell. The price is also pretty reasonable. Right now I have a 100 ml bottle with me and it will cost you somewhere around 90 bucks. I've just applied this on my skin. Talking about its durability, it stays on your skin for a couple of hours. After that you will have to reapply. Now let's come to the second body lotion. The second body lotion I'm going to talk about is for oily skin. Yes. This one is from VLCC Natural Sciences Almond Honey Deep Nourishing Skin Brightening Body Lotion. I have picked this body lotion particularly because this is best suited for people who have oily skin. This absolutely has non-greasy formula. It's not thick, pretty runny. The fragrance is, it's got this raw almond fragrance. So I've just applied this on my skin. Talking about its durability, it stays on your skin for a couple of hours. After that you will have to reapply this, but I think it's a good deal. It's not thick, pretty runny. It's got this raw almond fragrance. It will stay on your skin for say a couple of hours, similar to what Pond's does to your body. Talking about its ingredients, it has aqua, sunflower, glycerin, almond extract. Seriously is a good body lotion, keeping in mind that it has so many natural ingredients. And the best part is that it's, whenever you are going to buy this, it will always be one-on-one. If not always, then most of the times, because whenever I go to purchase this, even in the markets, it's one-on-one, especially on social platforms like Amazon. So its actual price is $275, but then it's pretty fine. It's justifying because then you are getting two body lotions at one price. Let's come to the third one. The third one in my hand is Nivea Oil and Lotion Coco Nourish 48 Hours Deep Moisture Care. This one is my favorite when it comes to winters. I only use Nivea Coco Nourish, nothing else on my body. It works like wonders for the dry skin. If you have extremely dry skin, even in summers, then you can always depend on this lotion. This is literally a miracle for those who have flaky skin and have breakouts often. It's pretty thick, just like cream. It's not runny at all. But if you have oily skin, then I would suggest you to stay away from this, because people who have combination skin can still depend on this in winters, but then since it's pretty oily, people who have oily skin should avoid using this. But this is my all-time favorite, trust me. This and the other one which I'm going to show you. This brand boasts that this is a 48 hours formula, but I don't believe so, because it stays on your skin for at least 8 or 9 hours if you have dry skin. But if you have oily skin, then obviously it would remain on your skin throughout the day. Works like magic, trust me. The ingredients are also pretty good. Natural ingredients used: aqua, glycerin, theobroma, cocoa seed butter. Pretty enchanting, and it does deeply nourishes your skin. It has cocoa butter and coconut oil as well. So this is 400 ml bottle. The printed price is $4.25, but if you go anywhere in the market, or especially supermarkets, then you will get it on discount. And I buy my stuff from Amazon, as I've always told you. So at Amazon you will get anywhere from 40% to 30% discount on body lotions, and sometimes it's 50% also. Was it my third bottle. So here comes last but not the least. This is from Lotus Herbals, my all-time favorite, Coco Keres Daily Hand and Body Lotion. So this is a deep moisturizing, healing cocoa butter body lotion. Best part is that it has SPF 20. It's best suited to every skin type. Without wasting any time, let's talk about its texture. So the consistency is pretty good, even better than Nivea body lotion. It slithers on your skin like a cream, so smooth. You can apply it on your neck, just leave your face. Apply it on your neck, use it as hand lotion, hand cream. You can use it on your feet also. It has SPF 25, so that's the best part. It remains on your skin throughout the day. It does not make your skin greasy. You would actually feel that you have applied a cream on your skin, but actually it's a lotion. Talking about the fragrance, it's pretty good, not that overpowering. So let's talk about its ingredients. It has cocoa butter, rose water, almond oil, honey, cocoa seed butter, glycerin. While this has natural products and all the body lotions which I had shown you today, they do have natural ingredients, but they contain parabens also. Parabens are not always bad for your skin. The actual job of parabens and paraffins is to increase the shelf life of any cosmetic, be it your makeup, creams, body lotion, perfumes, etc. I wanted to clear the air around parabens. How much is too much? So all from me today. Stay tuned, because I'm going to bring a lot more for you. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Stay charming. Thanks a lot for watching.